Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Respected Ravi ji, Samit Patra ji, Murugan ji, Islam ji on the dais, and my very good friends from the press and everyone here. It gives me immense pleasure to take a step forward and become a part of Bharatiya Janata Party today, which over a period of time I have come to an understanding that if the nation has to move forward, we need somebody like our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to take the country in the right direction and to its glory. I am completely at service to Bharatiya Janata Party, and I promise to do my best at the responsibilities that will be given to me, and I'll do my best to make sure that my state, Tamil Nadu, sees victory in the upcoming elections in Tamil Nadu. And I am here as the millions of people of this country who have great hopes on Bharatiya Janata Party under the esteemed leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, that I will work like any other Kadar, any other worker, to the best of my abilities. Thank you very much. I'll speak to all of you individually a little later. Thank you.
The tradition of movie stars joining politics in Tamil Nadu is decades old. But the BJP, which has captured much of the Hindi heartland electorally, has struggled to find a foothold in the state. However, ahead of the crucial Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, BJP's lurch to find a face in the state may end. Speculations were strong that actress-turned-politician Khushbu Sundar might join the BJP. Khushbu, who was in Congress till this morning, was removed by the party from the post of party spokesperson. Meanwhile, she left for Delhi on Sunday. When asked about the move, she declined to comment anything. However, later in the day, she joined the BJP in the presence of BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra and Karnataka MP C.T. Ravi. The outspoken and fiery leader of the party, Khushbu Sundar, was a familiar face on television news channel debates and party activities. She started her own political journey with DMK, which was in power with the Congress party during UPA era in 2010. 4 years later, she quit the regional party and joined the Congress in the presence of Sonia Gandhi. However, 6 years later, she left the party to join its opposition party, BJP. In her resignation letter, she said that she was pushed and suppressed, and certain elements at the top who had no connection at the ground level were dictating the terms. Her letter read this: "Thank you very much for providing me the opportunity to serve my nation as a national spokesperson and a primary member of the Indian National Congress. I have always taken great pride to represent the party on different platforms in most trying situations. I came into the fold of INC at the time when it was at its lowest, being defeated in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. I did not walk into the party for any monetary gains, name or fame. Few elements seated at the higher level within the party, people who have no connectivity with the ground reality or public recognition, are dictating terms, and people like me who wanted to work for the party sincerely are being pushed and suppressed. I, after a long, thorough thought process over a period of time, have decided to end my association with the party. Herewith I tender my resignation from the primary membership of Indian National Congress. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, and everyone in the party personally. My respect towards you will remain the same. Thanking you, Khushbu Sundar." With her jumping the ship, the question is back on the Congress and leadership of the Congress party. But many are also pointing out whether one should sacrifice the ideology for the opportunity. Her tweet that was made a week back went viral, in which she had slammed the BJP, saying that it has unleashed a troll army against her. However, the Congress has now said that her quitting the party does not have any effect on the ground level scenario in Tamil Nadu.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.